Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, continuing to look at our domains that sit within the maintenance and reliability best practices framework. Up today, leadership. We don't need leadership, do we? Leadership is the ability to influence others. And so, in our first domain, we looked at culture and how we have to set expectations. But those expectations don't translate to an active culture without leadership. And leadership is comprised of the following building blocks. They include business acumen, direction setting, decision making, team building, and empowerment. Business acumen is to ensure that everyone throughout the organization understands how the organization either makes money or provides service to the world. Whether you are a nonprofit or a manufacturing plant or in the service industry, understanding the makeup of that operation is critical to make good decisions and to ensure that everything that takes place is for the benefit of the organization. This helps you develop ROIs and gain support for your reliability initiatives. Direction setting is how we translate everything that we did on the culture side, vision, mission, values, down into a plan of action to execute against. Folks need to understand exactly where they are expected to go and how they are expected to get there so they can be the most productive possible. Decision making, this one's always fun. Decision making is ensuring we have the ability to make decisions quickly. So understanding what a RACI is, understanding who owns decisions, being accepting of the fact that you may be the owner of a decision. Nothing drags out a reliability program more than meetings attempting to gain consensus. And so with with decision making, we're trying to be a more agile organization, and we make good decisions based on data. So both of those things are part of that building block. Team building. If you've been a reliability leader in any length of time inside any organization, you know that the incremental steps and improvements you can take are nothing compared to when there's an army of folks all marching in the same direction and understanding how they impact reliability. Your team building skills and your ability to form a team of diverse opinions, still focused on making sound decisions in alignment with the direction you're going, means exponential benefits versus your individual contribution. The next and last block, and one of the most important in the entire framework, is empowerment. In order for folks to be part of that team and follow that alignment and give you exponential benefit, the empowerment has to exist. And it takes more than the leader saying, hey, you're empowered. It takes the acceptance of empowerment. That means we have to have the confidence to act on empowerment, and we have to know that the organization is not going to look at us negatively should we be wrong when we act on empowerment. In order to be innovative, we have to be wrong a lot. So empowerment's about the profession of empowerment as well as the acceptance of empowerment. So these are the building blocks associated with the leadership domain in Ramesh Gulati's Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices Framework.